Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve most commonly occurring Bluetooth issues on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, simply toggle the Bluetooth in your control center off and on again to reconnect with your Bluetooth device automatically. Optionally, you can simply enable and disable airplane mode to reset all settings or all networks temporarily, and then check if your device successfully reconnected with your Bluetooth device. You can also manually disconnect from it and then wait for a while and try to reconnect to it after a while. Now if this isn't helping you, then let's go to more Bluetooth settings, which we can, by the way, reach straight from settings, Bluetooth, and let's instead forget our device by selecting device, unpair. Then we can and should restart both our smartphone and our Bluetooth device. To restart your smartphone, press power button with volume up key and swipe the circle to the top. Then wait until your smartphone is restarted. In the meantime, restart your Bluetooth device. And after the restart, try to reconnect to your Bluetooth device once again. Or repair your Bluetooth device once again, and then see if the problem is resolved. And if it's not resolved yet, well, we can and should go to System and Update section in Settings, then go to Software Update and make sure that we don't have any available updates, or if you don't have some updates available for your smartphone, then download and install them, because some minor security issues get fixed every once in a while, and they get released with the general updates for this phone, or sometimes as just some minor updates that you may receive, even some even a couple of times a week. And just keep your device up to date to make sure to outrule all of these software issues with your smartphone. Now, the last thing that we can do is reset networks on our device. However, after doing so, you're also gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks that you were connected to before performing this operation. And what I mean by that is that you're gonna have to re-enter the password to your Wi-Fi networks once again. So in order to reset your networks, go to System and Update, go to Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, Reset, and then once the network reset is completed, go back to Bluetooth, re-enable Bluetooth, and repair to your Bluetooth device. Usually it fixes most Bluetooth issues that are out there. And yeah, and that's basically it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.